The middle zone is interesting because that's where we have our organs. So we have our organs and our digestion, and the two emotions that affect the chi of the body here are the most are yoensi, or worry, and longing, pining, obsessing, whatever is the best word in English. I don't have a good word in English for that one yet. But the effect on the chi is it has a knot, a K-N-O-T in it, a congealing effect. So a lot of what we see here in this middle zone is things happening, so issues above and below are happening because there's a block in the middle and the pathways can't get through, or if the chi is coming along, it doesn't have a chance to get in, and so it gets forced into one part of the channel or another. The chi is not able to come down, the chi is stuck up, the chi never gets a chance to raise up because there's blocks or congeals or knots here in the middle. Also, it's the area we have reproduction, menses, and sexual dysfunction, which is greatly affected by temperature. So we have issues of knots and things creating a flow path from head to toe, issues there. We have physical organs, all available for dysfunction. And then we have the idea that temperature regulation is critical to menses and reproduction. So the middle zone is sort of everything is going on there. But it's less about, I don't want to say up and down, because of course if the stomach chi is going up, you need to make it go down, and if the spleen chi is going down, you need to make it go up. But it's an area where it's a very local treating area. I'm often treating local things there because I do a lot of lower abdominal work with chi. It's also a lot of the chi, if I'm doing work for the middle zone, if you were to call it a zone in reproduction, that's when I really start factoring in the extraordinary channels. Because it was said to me very well that the extraordinary channels, they're in charge of birthing birth. Or creating creation. I guess that's a better translation. In Chinese it's the word sheng, which could be creation or birth or engendering. They engender engendering. They show up at puberty and they disappear. Their fullness shows up at puberty and it disappears at menopause, and that's pretty cool. And without the Ren channel, you're not going to get pregnant. And I like that.